boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. We are going to have a good time today, and I have some pretty special helpers. I have Ben, and I have Travis, and I have Isaiah, and I have Carter. And you know why we're going to have fun? Because we're going to be making something that I love, and I hope you all love. Peanut butter bites. Who likes peanut butter?
Me!
I thought you guys liked that too. Do you like peanut butter, boys and girls? You're gonna like these. And don't worry if you don't have the recipe. You can just watch and see how we make it, and then you can go on our Tiny Tot website and you can get the recipe. How about that? Okay guys, you have a bowl, and I'm gonna read the recipe for you, and I'll tell you what to do, okay? So you, Carter and Ben, you need to put in a cup of oatmeal.
Cup? 1 cup?
1 cup of oatmeal.
A whole cup?
A whole cup. And boys, what does Miss Cinda say when you're measuring? When you're using a measuring cup?
Is this 1 cup?
Yes, that's 1 cup. See the one on it?
Make sure
That means it's 1 cup.
all the way full.
That's right. Make sure it's all the way full, because if you don't, what happens if you don't measure right?
Then, if you just pour this whole thing in, then all you'll have is this.
Oatmeal. And your recipe doesn't turn out, boys and girls, if you don't follow your recipes. You have to be careful when you're measuring, don't you?
And it won't taste good.
That's right.
It'll
It
go
won't
black.
taste good, will it? Okay. Isaiah and Travis, here. You're going to put in, let me read, 1 cup of oatmeal.
This is a cup.
I'm sorry. We already did the oatmeal. You guys didn't even catch that. What is this?
Coconut.
Oh, that's right. So put in 1 cup of coconut. Okay. Remember to get a nice cup. Good, Isaiah. Very good. Put that in. And good job, Travis. Okay, that's good. You know, you can put all that in. No, because you want to make sure it's level. See, you got to put a little bit more in now, because you want it right to the rim. There you go. Okay. There. Okay, good job. Okay, now the flaxseed has already been measured. This is a 1/2 cup, so you can dump in the flaxseed. Let Carter dump it in. Okay, and then now, guys, we're going to need a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Okay, so use your spatulas.
1/2 cup. It's 1/2. 1/2. Do
You'll-
you want me to pour it and you can hold the cup?
Well, you need to, you know what?
Do we need the spoon?
Well, you can put the peanut butter out of here, but let me go. I think I put them in the sink because I was washing them. So you guys measured this. Let me get you some spatulas. Oh, I wanted to make sure they were clean for you, and so I washed them. Wasn't that nice of me?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, see, there you go. You each have, well, you probably won't each need a spatula, but you guys put the peanut butter in the 1/2 cup, and you guys can take it out.
Is this all of us need a half?
No.
Is this a 1/2 cup?
Does it say, there's a 1, and then a slash, and then 2?
Yep.
There you go, 1/2 cup. So you put it in the cup, and you can take it out of the cup. But while he's doing that, Travis, can you and Isaiah stir this up? Can you mix this? Oh, you've already done that. Good job, but let's stir it up a little bit more. Because see, you've got all kinds of flaxseed over there, and you want to get it stirred up really even, boys and girls. That's important. Good job. A little more. Blend all that up. You want to get it mixed up evenly, because when you're going to be making them into little bite-sized little balls, then you're going to have like one who has lots of flaxseed and one's going to have no flaxseed. So that's why you have to mix it up really even, okay? Good job. I can move this coconut off over here. That'll get it out of our way.
Here it comes in. One of these?
1.
Put it in.
Okay, well,
While I mix.
yep, keep mixing. And
That'll be hard.
we need, let me look, a 1/3 cup. Isaiah, can you find, Yes, that's very good, Isaiah. Can you find your third cup?
Is it this one?
See, you need a 1 and a slash and a 3.
Yep.
Very good. So, boys and girls, you're going to have a third cup of agave. But let's pour it over here in case we spill it.
I'm going to do agave too.
Oh, I'll get fancy. How's that? There you go. Okay, and use your spatula to get all of it out. Okay, you want to get a third cup?
Am I going to do agave?
Yeah, would you like to?
Yeah. How many cups of this peanut butter do we need? Third.
Is that a third? 1/3? Then you got a third cup. Okay, here. Let me do it this way so I don't get it on you. Okay, hold it over the bowl. Ready? How high do you think I can go? Oh, look. There you go. Oh, you think I can go higher? Oh, I don't know. Okay, now, you have the peanut butter in? You have that all in? Oh, let's get all this in here, too. And you want to scrape all that agave out of this with, well, you got it all, I think. Okay, now stir it up. And who wants to pour in vanilla?
Me.
Oh, dear. Everybody wants to pour in vanilla. We only need a teaspoon of vanilla. So
hey, how about us do each a half?
That is an excellent idea, Mr. Travis. I like that. Okay, you guys, you each have a teaspoon, so only put in half of the teaspoon. Or would you like me to go get a half teaspoon? Because I have those washed too. You want me to get a half teaspoon?
Yeah.
Everybody? Okay, let me go because I have those over by the sink. Oh, you're lucky because I had just washed these too, so they're all clean for you. Okay, everybody put in just a half, okay? And remember,
half of these or whole?
No, that's a whole. This is a half. Okay, you need your vanilla, so open your vanilla. No, I'm gonna let you guys each do it. There you go. So, but pour it over. Wait. Good job. So do it over the bowl, remember? Oh, that's okay, Ben. Just wipe it up. It's okay.
Oh, I didn't see that.
I didn't miss that, did I? No. I don't miss much. I'll tell you what.
Unless we talk very fast.
Oh, you think that helps? Did you guys each put in a half? Did you guys each put in a half?
Yeah.
Okay, then you're gonna need, I need it stirred up really good. And you guys each put in a half?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, while you guys are stirring it up, I'm gonna clear the table. What?
We need some help.
Okay, oh no, you guys can do it. You're strong. Okay, let me make sure you have everything. Yep, we have everything.
Can do it.
Stir it up, and while you guys, you have to get it well mixed up, guys. Whoa, you guys are working hard.
This is hard.
Oh, but you're strong. What? No, work together though. Hey, you guys, when you're mixing stuff up, make sure you take your spatula and scoop down to the bottom because I bet you, oh, see all that dry ingredients that needs to be in there?
Flowers is all mixed up, Miss Cinda.
Oh, let me look. Did you scrape the bottom? Okay, let Miss Cinda come and look. Let's see.
I forgot about the peanut butter.
You put the peanut butter in. Okay, let me look. Oh, that's pretty good, but I see some dry ingredients down there.
I wonder how cookies are gonna turn out well.
I know, cause you need.
Cinda, check ours now.
Okay, let me check yours. You think yours ready? Okay, let me look. Oh, what? You're getting tired? Oh, let me see those muscles. Let me see those muscles. Oh dear, I got to see a better muscle than that. Where's the muscle? Oh, you got enough muscle. Let's see. Do you have enough muscle? Oh, yes, you guys got enough muscle. What? Oh, they have big muscles. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, see, you guys can do it.
Check mine, Miss Cinda.
Just a little bit more. Oh, let me see.
Oops.
Oh, you have a big muscle, Travis. Okay. Oh, Miss Cinda needs to get all. Thank you, Isaiah. I'll move this off so that you guys have room. Okay, now what? now what you're gonna do is I want you to take it and take your hands. You can use this spoon and I want you to make it in little balls and then roll it in this peanuts. Here, I'll take it. You can just lay it right on right here. Yes. And then take that and roll it into, make it into a ball and roll it into the peanuts and then put it on our parchment paper, okay?
Okay.
And you can taste them if you want because they're ready to eat. We are gonna chill them a little bit, but are they good? Mmm. Make them a little bit bigger than this, guys. Think about a little bite. Oh, that's perfect, Isaiah. That's perfect. And you put it on the parchment. Roll it in peanuts. Did you roll yours in peanuts?
Yeah.
I didn't think so, Mr. Ben.
I didn't roll mine in. I forgot.
Oh, you got to roll it in peanut butter and get all the sides cooked. Don't those look good?
Yeah.
Who tasted one already? Oh,
Me.
now I would have never guessed you tasted one, Carter.
Did you make any ahead of time?
I didn't. So it's a good thing you can taste these.
Yeah.
Because I was too busy doing dishes. What do you think? I was making sure that you guys had clean dishes. And a good thing too, huh?
Yeah.
That's right. So I didn't have time. So it's a good thing you guys are making them now because now you can taste them. And what we'll do is you guys roll them all into balls. Boys and girls, you're going to roll them all into balls. Oh. Well, quick, start making them into balls. That's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time. Okay, roll them into balls and make sure, boys and girls, that you roll them in peanut butter. I mean, peanut butter. Oh, dear. Peanuts. That's right.
Favorite kind of nut.
That's right. That's my favorite. Oh, I think I'll taste this little one, but I think we need to roll that in more peanuts. What do you think? Yeah, I like it really good and rolled in peanut butter. Let me taste it. Okay.
Hey, peanut butter.
Oh, did I say that again?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. I do, don't I? Mmm. You guys are doing a good job. These are good. Mmm. And you know what? We'll get the whole tray filled and we'll put it in the refrigerator. Good, Isaiah? You guys keep making them.
Huge one.
I have a plan.
What?
You guys keep making them and I'll keep eating them.
No. Yeah. That's funny. Let's have a race and mark it to go.
I think that's a really good plan. You guys make them, I'll eat them.
Yeah. Miss Cinda, try this one.
Oh, is this a special one?
Yes, for you.
Oh, thank you. I see. That is a special one. I like that one.
Cindy, you ready for yours?
Oh no! What's that?
I'll get your kitchen timer.
Do you know what that means?
For you.
Oh wow! I have a big one. Boys and girls, remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.